If your car exhaust suddenly becomes louder than usual, it can be a sign that something in the exhaust system needs attention. The exhaust system is designed to reduce engine noise and safely release gases from the vehicle. When any component becomes damaged, loose, or worn out, it can cause unusual loud sounds while driving or idling. Problems with the catalytic converter can also cause your car exhaust to become unusually loud. The catalytic converter is responsible for reducing harmful emissions and helping control exhaust noise. When it becomes damaged, clogged, or begins to fail internally, it may produce rattling sounds or cause the exhaust to sound rough and louder than normal. In some cases, a failing catalytic converter can also reduce engine performance and fuel efficiency. If you notice a loud exhaust combined with rattling noises or reduced power, it may be a sign that the catalytic converter needs inspection or replacement. Worn-out exhaust gasket can also cause your car exhaust to become louder than normal. These gaskets seal the joints between different exhaust components, preventing gases from escaping. Over time, heat, pressure, and constant engine vibrations can cause the gaskets to wear out, crack, or break. When this happens, exhaust gases can leak through the gaps, creating hissing or loud popping noises while the engine is running. Replacing worn-out gaskets helps restore a proper seal, reduces exhaust noise, and ensures the exhaust system works efficiently. A damaged muffler is one of the most common reasons your car exhaust may become unusually loud. The muffler is designed to reduce engine noise by controlling how exhaust gases exit the vehicle. Over time, rust, road debris, or physical damage can cause holes or cracks in the muffler. When this happens, the exhaust sound becomes much louder and may produce a deep rumbling noise while driving. Replacing a damaged muffler can restore normal sound levels and help your exhaust system function properly. An exhaust system leak is another common reason your car exhaust may sound louder than usual. Small cracks, holes, or loose connections in the exhaust pipes can allow gases to escape before they pass through the muffler. When this happens, you may hear a loud rumbling, hissing, or ticking noise while the engine is running. Exhaust leaks can also affect engine performance and fuel efficiency if left untreated. Inspecting and repairing the damaged section of the exhaust system can help restore normal sound levels and keep your vehicle running smoothly. By identifying the cause early and addressing the issue promptly, you can keep your exhaust system working efficiently and ensure your car runs smoothly, quietly, and safely on the road.